In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix a blinking light. In this property, this tenant moved out and this light is blinking. So I'm not sure if it's a wiring issue or just a bad light bulb. So I'm gonna go ahead and start troubleshooting this and we'll figure out what the problem is. First troubleshooting step you always wanna start with is just replacing the light bulbs. It's a very simple fix if that's the case. So I got some new LED light bulbs here that I'll be putting in. These light fixtures come off pretty easy. Just spin this to remove. Okay, got the cover off. So looking at it, one light is steady while the other one is blinking. So to me, that indicates that it's not a wiring issue. It's just gonna be bad bulbs. So I'll go ahead and take these out now. This one looks very dim as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it also. There we go, problem solved, simple. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on. Problem solved. Okay. And we're good to go. I have had the issue where it is bad wiring in the past, and what I needed to do was shut off the breaker or the light switch so that the wires aren't hot anymore. And then I just took the cap off, twisted them together tighter, and then put the cap back on, and that fixed the issue. So it could be one of those two problems. For me, it was just the light bulbs, nice and easy. I hope that video was helpful for you. Good luck.